Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
If you think that the 2022 Sienna looks more like an SUV than a minivan, that was Toyota's intent. Although the sliding side doors are a giveaway, the van's muscular body sides, roof rack, and flat hood help it blend in with the brand's other SUVs such as the midsize Highlander and the full-size Sequoia. What you won't find here that you do in those SUVs is a V6 or V8 engine. Instead, the Sienna is offered exclusively as a hybrid. Front-wheel drive is standard and all-wheel drive is optional. As a result, fuel economy is above average for the minivan class, but, unfortunately, the Sienna's acceleration falls behind its non-hybrid rivals. While most buyers won't miss the extra pep of the Honda Odyssey's V6 engine, some may find the Sienna's interior less practical than the Chrysler Pacificas. Toyota has added a Woodland Edition model to the Sienna lineup for 2022. It comes standard with all-wheel drive and sports a 0.6-inch lift kit to give it better ground clearance. The Woodland Edition also includes a suite of accessories intended to make life easier for adventurous buyers, including a roof rack, a tow hitch, and a 1500-watt power outlet. We're eyeballing the sporty XSE model, which comes with 20-inch wheels, more aggressive front and rear bumpers, and sport front seats. The XSE also comes standard with in-dash navigation and second-row captain's chairs. The XSE, like all Sienna trims, comes standard with front-wheel drive, but adding all-wheel drive costs just $760, which seems like a worthy upgrade to us. Unlike previous versions of Toyota's family van, the 2022 Sienna is offered exclusively as a hybrid. The powertrain consists of a 2.5-liter gasoline-powered 4-cylinder engine and a pair of electric motors that combine to make 243 horsepower. All-wheel drive is available and adds a third electric motor in back that drives the rear wheels. The Sienna's main rival, the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid, is offered solely with front-wheel drive, but its V6 engine and electric motors make 260 horsepower. Our all-wheel drive Sienna Platinum failed to excite us during acceleration testing, requiring 7.7 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour and completing the quarter mile in 15.8 seconds at only 88 miles per hour. These results are similar to what the Pacifica Hybrid managed, but are far slower than non-hybrid examples of the Pacifica we've tested as well as the Honda Odyssey. The EPA estimates that front-wheel drive versions of the Sienna should deliver 36 mpg city as well as 36 mpg highway, with all-wheel drive examples carrying ratings 1 mpg lower at 35 mpg. In our mix of city and highway driving, we managed 29 mpg with our all-wheel drive Platinum test vehicle. When we get a chance to put the new Sienna through our 75-mile highway fuel economy test, we'll update this story with results. For more information about the Sienna's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Complementing its daring exterior redesign, the Sienna's interior is modern and stylish. Rather than the open cockpit design of the previous generation model, Toyota has created a tall center console that spans the distance from the dashboard to the center armrest, with a large storage cubby underneath. Thanks for watching.